Dad, I need you to like call the network or something. This is abnormally difficult.
On Rich Kids Cattle Drive, 10 trust fund babies kiss Beverly Hills goodbye.
Is there a cushiony saddle over there? Ew.
We would like your cell phones for one day.
Hell no.
And drive 100 cattle across the Colorado plains.
The horses, stay with the herd!
What do you think we're doing?
Joshua told us that the cow is about to go into labor.
It's romance on the range.
I was really surprised that 2 people had already started to have a romance.
I sense myself getting a little jealous.
Yeah, there's been kissing here and there.
I can be attracted to 20 women at one time.
And 100 miles of diva drama.
Sit down, do not yell at me. Never.
As they find that riding horses ain't like driving Porsches.
It's hard with my tight jeans.
Can the sons and daughters of some of the wealthiest families in the world handle a life without luxury? Find out on Rich Kids Cattle Drive, exclusively from E! Networks.